When she was just 4 years old, Shanti Devi began telling her parents eerily specific details about her old life in a town 75 miles from where she was born, and a place she'd never been to before. Born on December 11, 1926, Shanti Devi appeared to be a perfectly normal baby, until around the age of 4 when she began to ramble on about a past life in a town called Mathura, nearly 75 miles away. Devi recalled in startling detail all the shops and streets in the town. She also began to speak of her husband, a merchant whose name she refused to reveal until she was about 9 years old. But she did tell her parents that he was fair, had a wart on his left cheek, and wore reading glasses. Despite the unusual specificity of her memories, Devi's parents dismissed her recollections as mere